community of Bend is really thriving right now. It's attracting top talent to the area, and specifically people with a heart for sustainable living, outdoor enthusiasts, and just general wellness and healthy lifestyles.
Really, our goal here at Zamp is to enable customers to have an experience that's truly authentic out in the outdoors. And if Zamp is able to unlock that for people, and they're able to really experience something much bigger than themselves, we've done our job.
We're building people, processes, product, and really trying to be holistic here.
When we originally started Zamp, we were importing solar panels just like everybody else. In 2015, we decided to move panel manufacturing to Bend, Oregon. We made a big bet that we could build a better quality product at parity to the cost of importing, and we've been able to prove that.
What's really unique here at Zamp Solar is that we handcraft every single solar panel that we make, to the degree that we actually hand sign every single panel as if it was a piece of art.
What sets Zamp Solar apart is that we make custom size panels for our customers. We can actually take a specific problem that a customer has for a fit, form, or function, and we can actually create a panel that serves their need in whatever space and wattage they may need.
Every product that we build, we try to build a perfect 10. Everything from the aesthetics of it to functional performance and really the end user's experience. We do our job well when a customer can't quite put their finger on why Zamp solar panels are so special.
A Zamp Solar panel is worth its value because we employ people in our local area, US made, it's all handcrafted, we're building it here, and we're really innovating here. We're working with the R&D all the way through the back end of the process and with our customers to build the best panel that they need for their function.
We're product experts in our field, and we're committed to supporting that in a sustainable way and taking it as far as we can into the future.
Our North Star here at Zamp is to really empower people to thrive. Anyone from camping and being able to go deeper, go further, go farther. If we can help in that pursuit, then we've done our job well.
Where we're going is really exciting. The new stuff we have coming out, the team that we've built here, the capabilities that we have, this is an exciting place to be at a really exciting time. Off-grid solar is going to be as big as on-grid solar someday. It just makes sense, and we are leading that charge.